Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. So this week we're going to review a mouse that was sent to me from a company called Uineer. So U-I-N-E-E-R. Hadn't heard of this company before, but I thought I'd check it out. It's a wireless ergonomic mouse. Alright, the AO6. We'll get into it. We'll do a little unboxing, talk about it a little bit, and then I'll tell you how it works. Alright. I've ordered these before, one for work, two actually now, and they work really great. But will they work for other things? So I'm going to try them gaming, going to try a couple other things to see how they work. I know they work on a mouse, I know they work on a desktop, all that kind of good stuff, but how well do they work for gaming? I want to see that. Now, it's not designed as a gaming mouse, just be aware, but it doesn't mean it can't handle it, because I think it can. So let's do the unboxing and let's have a look. Here we go. Okay, so here's our first look. Name of the company, Uineer AO6 wireless mouse. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but you can see how it's going to look. And a few more details. Okay, it has Type-C charging, ultra long endurance. We'll find out. I'll be putting it through its test. Ergonomic design, plug and play with USB, of course, and the actual name of the company or the product is Uineer AO6 wireless mouse black. This is a new product that they've got out recently. And let's see, what else do we have? So, and here's all your specs. For those that like to know everything there is to know, let's just zoom in on that so you can get all your specs in there. So you got your product model, the AO6, dimensions, your weight, 105 plus or minus 5 grams. Pretty good. I like that. Sounds pretty good to me. 2.4 gigahertz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0 and 4.0. DPI range anywhere from 800 up to 2400. Optical tracking, 500 milliamp, 3.7 volt built-in battery voltage. Operating distance 10 meters. Operating systems, okay, all the way from Windows 8 up to Vista or Windows 11 and or above, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux. All right, and it says, please note, use the computer or laptop USB port to charge the mouse. All right, that's how you can do it. All right, so let's get it out of the box and have a better look. Okay, so quick unboxing. First look is back in there. The packaging that it came in another box, which is really nice. And there's your USB-C to USB-A. All right. A lot of people have USB-C on one end, which is for the mouse, but the other end you don't necessarily have USB-C. Sometimes all you've got is USB-A. So that's just something to be aware of. Let's get this out of here. And oh, I like it. I like the feel of it. You have your button here to change your speeds. We'll figure out how all this works. Of course, you have a scroll wheel, your left and right mouse button, and I want to show you when you're putting it on, it's going to be like this. So your hand is in its natural position. All right, the mouse buttons feel really nice. I gotta say, the feel of the mouse itself actually feels pretty good. Okay, so on off, and this is how you change your speeds, or between Bluetooth 4.0 and your gigahertz, all your different modes. And it says to remove this, so you're going to remove this little thing on the bottom. All right, just make sure you do that. All right, just peel that off, and then you're going to have this nice and clean. So when you first start, remove, and your receiver is in here. So you're going to have to take that off as well. If I can get it out of there. Alright. And out comes your mouse. Or your USB button. And out comes your USB dongle. Alright. So put that aside for now. And then we have to take this off as well. So I quickly want to go over just some of the features of this mouse. It has a tri-mode, so that's the Bluetooth 4.0, 5.0, and of course your gigahertz. All right, by just plugging it into the computer, which I know that's pretty cool. I've never seen one quite like that before. Now, when you're using it as Bluetooth, it has pretty simple directions. Turn it on, switch the mouse to Bluetooth 5, indicated by a blue light, or Bluetooth 4.0, indicated by a green light. All right. Once you got it on, to enable the Bluetooth function on your device, you just go into your Bluetooth settings, you do a search, select the Bluetooth name BT 5.0 or BT 4.0, whatever you choose to use. Okay, once connected successfully, the mouse button indicator light will turn on and you're good to go. Now, if you want to switch between connected devices, you can switch the device via Bluetooth 5.0, press the mode button, and again, use your Bluetooth to connect. Do the same thing for your 4.0, and to switch the device, connect it via the 2.4 gigahertz receiver. All right, so your little USB dongle. Press the mode button to switch it to the 2.4 gigahertz. It'll be a red light, and you're good to go. All right, reconnecting the mouse will automatically connect to the last paired device. So just be aware that if you've switched it to your normal dongle, but you want to use Bluetooth, you have to switch it. Okay, manual switch, very easy to just push that button. As I said, charging your mouse, USB Type A to your mouse, charge C port, and you're good to go. Your battery indicators, okay, 3 lights when it's charging. All 3 lights stay on when it's charged, and a low light battery, flashing light when it's at low battery. Okay, that's the gist of all your functions. And when I'm talking about the buttons, I'm talking about this right here. So depending on which one you push, indicates what is going to be working on it. Most people are probably going to use the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. I'm going to try the Bluetooth because I'm kind of interested in that. And turn it on and pair it with your computer, laptop, whatever it happens to be you're using, and you're good to go. And for anybody that's interested, this comes with a 1-year warranty. You can contact customer service to get support. Okay, so 1 year from the date of purchase. Also, the USB dongle, once you put it in there, it doesn't come out. Okay, it's in there pretty good, but taking it out, just put your thumbnail or anything, and it's going to slide out really easily. So you got a nice little place to keep it when you're not using it. Now, for the ergonomic side of this, one of the greatest features is, of course, how you're holding your hand. On a normal mouse, you're holding your hand like this. All right, and you can, that's where you can get wrist strain, things like that. This is designed so you hold it like this. That way you're pushing your mouse buttons here. It does take people a little bit of getting used to make it work right. Some people want to hold it here, just use mouse buttons this way. How you use it depends on your preference, okay? This feels really good to the hand. You can definitely feel it's there. We're going to give it a try on both my main system and the laptop, and we'll go from there. Okay, so plug into my computer, plug into the front of the mouse, right there, and you can see the lights as it charges up, and that's how you'll know at what stage it's charged up and ready to go. Okay, so I've used it on my laptop, as you can see here, and it works really great. I'm not having any problems with it whatsoever. If I click on anything down below, it obviously works really well. I used the USB dongle and I've used the Bluetooth. Quite frankly, the Bluetooth is working awesome. I had to play around a little bit with the settings just to make sure that it had the right speed. Once I did that, everything worked great, both on my laptop and on my desktop, and I even used it for gaming a bit. I don't game a lot these days, but I did use it and everything went fine. So if you're interested in a mouse, then this is the one you might find really good. So Uineer, let's show you that. Uineer wireless mouse A06, and the way it fits in your hand, so normally like this you can hurt your wrist after a while doing too much, but with a natural curve to your hand, which is what it's designed for, and your buttons, when you click your buttons, wow, you really feel it working well. And you have your forward and back buttons on your mouse as well. Hey, it works perfectly. As you can see on the bottom, I think it will show you. No, it's not really flashing, but I do have it on the Bluetooth 5.0, and it works great. I had it using it on my lazy boy chair upstairs actually for quite a while, and normally my mice do not work on that surface. I don't know what it is, it just doesn't work. This one does. So the fact that it works on every surface, works on this, works on my desktop, I'm pretty happy with it. And I think you will be too. All right, everybody, so just in conclusion, I'm going to say that mouse works all the way around. All right, it's not designed specifically as a gaming mouse, but it certainly will function as a gaming mouse. For every other purpose, this will work and suit your needs. You got Bluetooth 5.0, 5.0, and the USB dongle. What I like about it, especially with my laptop, doesn't have a lot of USB ports on it. So by not having to use the dongle, I've freed up another port, and now the only cable I have running from that is my power cord. That's it, no other cables. That little bit of freedom doesn't seem like much sometimes, but for me, that made a difference. So if you're looking to just kind of give yourself another USB port, use the Bluetooth, which works perfectly, very easy to set up. You just go into your devices, add device, look for BT 5.0 or 4.0, whatever you've chosen. It'll show up, you click on it, and you're good to go. All right? Very simple. It doesn't get easier than that. All right? So, yeah, if you like that video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, think about subscribing. Hit the comments if you got anything to ask or you just want to know more about it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you as always. And yeah, let me know what you think. I've had an ergonomic mouse once before. It was more for work. This is equally as good, maybe I think actually better because you've got more options. But I think this is a great choice. Anyway, take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.